What up, y'all? Man, it's been so dope seeing everybody that's been signing up for the course and all the amazing feedback that we've been getting. I've been like reading all the comments and checking out your guys' profile. And it's dope. It like really brings me back to kind of like the early days of where we started. It's dope to see you guys like building and growing your brand and understanding the process of it and having wins and then also having challenges. And I could relate to that fully. I mean, one of the first projects that we did, I did this shirt for Rick Ross. Now, as you guys can see, and if you guys know what Rick Ross looks like, he don't look like this. And the crazy part about it is I'm sitting there showing him the shirt at a signing and he's just sitting there staring at it, like quiet, like didn't say anything. I'm like, damn, I can't even get a oh. He was just looking at it. And so the crazy part is after he left, I came back to where kind of like he was sitting and this fool done balled up the shirt and left it on the table. I'm like, dang, he didn't even have the decency to throw it away outside. So at this point, I'm just sitting here like, man, I'm ready to quit. Like I spent 9 hours on this shirt and I was so excited to give it to him and he just left it there. And so I was like, this is stupid. Why am I doing this? Like, what is the point of like trying to do this? I'm like, I'm just about to quit. And my best friend was like, look, man, we got to keep going, like keep practicing. Like you're not just going to be the best right out the gate. So at that point, you know, he really motivated me to like keep going and to push me to just continuing the vision. And so that's why it's so important to have people in your life that understand kind of like what you're going through and understand that, you know, some of the stuff that we go through is temporary and we need that push to kind of like get us started. And so that's the whole reason why I wanted to start this online course, to just kind of give you that push to say, look, like I understand where you're going through, I understand what you've been through, and this is kind of like the way that I learned how we could work around this because, you know, who would have knew a couple years later, he would have wore some of our stuff in his video because he wanted to. Now we didn't pay him, we didn't force him to wear it. He chose to wear some of our product in his video. Now, if I would have stopped, you know, when I first gave him the shirt and he just left it there, none of that would have been possible. And this has happened time and time and time again. And so there's different strategies that I've learned to get people like Chris Brown, Trey Songz, Justin Bieber, 50 Cent, like a ton of people to wear our product. And it's a process that you have to go through and it's duplicatable, like anybody can do it. And so that's what I wanna share with you guys. One thing I wanna share with you guys on this course. So click the link below if you haven't registered yet and I will see you April 12th.